Hello, this is a quick demonstration of the new features available in Matrix MLS for February 2017. One feature is available for your own listings, and that's to share your listings on social media sites like Facebook or Twitter. To access that function in the MLS, you will want to view one of your active listings. I'm on the home page now, and under My Listings, you'll click My Active, select one of them, and you'll immediately see a share option below. Once you click that, it'll bring up a window providing you the code that you need to copy and paste into Facebook or Twitter to post it online. Another feature added to the MLS is what we call a widget on the home page. Right now you're viewing my home page, and you can see the widgets are available to click and drag. If you accidentally close one, you can always go to additional and bring them back out. The new widget is called Listing Data Checker, and for a lot of new users, people using MLS, you'll find that at the bottom of your homepage. It's called Listing Data Checker. Once you find it, you can move it up into your menu where you can see it a little bit more visible on your homepage, and it will identify any current violations you have. If you have a notification or a warning, it will be highlighted in red. And you can also view your violation history and see a list of reported violations that you might have reported in the past, and it tells you if they've been fixed or corrected or not. Another feature that you're given is when you email one of your contacts in the system, you can actually edit their contact info right in the email screen. And to do this, we'll pull up one listing in the MLS, and we'll go down to the bottom, and you can see where you choose email. When I'm setting up my email and hit the To button there, I can select one of my contacts. So for John Citizen, the new feature now is the ability to edit that contact information right here on the screen. For example, if their email had changed or I want to put in a different name, I can do that now right in the middle of emailing the listing, instead of having to edit the contact and then come back and email. The next couple of features have to do with maps in the system, and to show you that, I will go and start a map search, and I'll pick I'm going to go ahead and pick all the statuses right now, and right now we'll go into map search. So in the map search, when I choose a radius shape, and we'll go ahead and draw one here on the west side for about a mile, you can see that it's just showing me listings in that radius. That's a mile. Now when I go to the results, the new update is the ability to see the distance from the center of my radius as a field to display in my list. So I can actually sort now by distance. You can see the one at 0 miles is probably the center of my radius shape, and then reversing that, going out to 0.9 miles is some properties that are out there. So that's handy, and that's going to apply when I do a radius shape, or if I type in an address and just do that within a mile, it will also allow me to see the distance as well. This could be handy if you're doing a mile radius and want to type in your subject property address here. When you pull up those properties, it will again display the distance that your search results are from the subject property. Another update is in again with the map search. We'll go ahead and pull up the map again. So one of the new updates is the ability enhancements to the legend. The bottom left of the map is the legend tab, and they've updated a lot of the icons now that are really going to show highlighted for your contacts that are choosing the listings that are marking as favorite or discarding or possibility. So let's take a look at that in action. I have set up a auto search for a test client, and when I look at the results, you can see that over time this particular user has, or contact has, selected some listings as favorite, some as discarded as if they don't want them, some are possibility. So over these 23 listings, we can see that they've they like and not like things. So now on the map, when I adjust that, these new icons are actually telling me now which ones they like and don't like. So if we go over to this neighborhood south of Patriot Freeway, you could see that this house here for 157, they did like and start it with a heart, and the other three they put as discard. And if I forget what the colors are, again, go to your legend, and you can see that discard is the black icon there. Some of them are starred, and that just means that they're new or highlighted. So all 4 of these listings came to their cart or prospect auto email today. They didn't like 3, but they like that one. Okay, that's a new feature available in the MLS. And one final feature I will identify is being able to quickly see if there's a property with an open house. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and just pick up hundreds of listings in the MLS system here. And on your display, you should actually see if there's any open houses available through an icon on the page there. And right now we have one property that's on market, and you'll notice at the top of the display there are several icons that you are probably aware of now. One new one is a little open door icon, and once you see that, it actually tells you that there is a open house. You can see in my display also, one of my displays called Sold Single Line will also show that icon on the screen there, and just a way of knowing whether or not I'm looking at a property that has an open house or not. And as you can see on this screen, of all these ones we're looking at here, only the one on Espada has one scheduled right now. All right, and that's going to conclude the quick demo of the new features available in Matrix for February 2017. Thank you.